Well, this is a surprise treat. What we've built is what we call the diode blob. It's a collection of diodes that can take DC and allow it to run an AC motor in bidirectional mode. And I'll show you that kind of awkwardly, but I'll show you. So right now I'm applying, wait, it's got to stay up. I'm applying DC power to this AC motor, going through those diodes, and the diodes can convert that. Okay, that's great. Now, I'm going to pretend I'm changing directions by changing the inputs. They were black and red. Now I'm going to go red to red, okay? If I can do this one-handed, not very good at it. So now I'm changing the direction of the DC. I didn't click the wire, I clicked the insulation. There we go. And now we're going forward. And pretty good response, by the by. Now, what I'm going to do next is put this on a DC controller and see if the changing of direction here can change the direction on the motor. And that's the whole idea, is can we use our new DC controller to run the AC motor? And the answer is yes, we can. I built a prototype some time ago. I built the prototype of the idea after I had a dream about it. I know, it's crazy. I dream about how to fix things. And I told Andy about it, and he says, well, let's build a board and make it real, see if it works. Well, he built the board, and I've been so busy with other things like smoke and this reverse unit, I didn't have a chance to. But yesterday I got all this ironed out, so I thought I'm going to try that. Actually, as Andy suggested, I get back on that blob board and see, because these motors, to convert them, is beautiful, AC to DC, but it's costing 25 bucks. This board will cost you about $3. So for $3 you can run your AC motor with the DC controller and get all the benefits of that, plus the smoke and everything else. So this could be AC motor. So now I'm rooting through all my set aside AC motors to find out how many of them can I get and build these boards for and test and make sure this is going to do it. But I am so happy right now. This is from my DC power supply on deck. My trusty number 2, I think, is on its way out. It's just not doing the job. It's running low on power. I'm not sure what it is. I mean, it was built in 1947. I don't understand why it's not working, right? I took it apart. It looks clean. Everything looks good inside, but I just think the transformer is kind of wearing out somehow. But in any case, I'll find another transformer, conventional. I think I went over there, and we'll test it with that and make sure that all of this is working the way it's supposed to. I'm so excited. Okay, so that's it. The diode blob. It's actually an AC to DC converter for American Flyer AC motors, and I'll post that. I'll put it up. I have some. I can do something for you guys. Anyone's interested, ask me, okay? And I'll help you somehow. But it's a great new thing, and it seems to work fine. So, great. Later.